Recording the album, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, record the album. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this interesting phrase. Record the album is a phrase that refers to the process of capturing and storing music performances. Recording an album involves several steps, from songwriting to the final production. It's not just about singing into a microphone. It's a creative and technical process that turns musical ideas into a tangible format, like a CD or digital album. Pre-production. Before recording starts, artists and producers engage in pre-production. This involves song selection, arrangement, and rehearsals. It's a crucial phase where the foundation of the album is laid. Studio recording. This is the heart of record the album. Musicians and vocalists perform their parts in a recording studio, often with multiple takes. The goal is to capture the best possible performance of each song. Mixing. Once all parts are recorded, the mixing process begins. Here, the audio engineer blends all the recorded tracks, adjusts levels, and adds effects. Mixing is vital for ensuring that the album sounds cohesive and balanced. Mastering. The final step is mastering. This process polishes the mixed tracks to create the final version of the album. Mastering ensures that the album sounds good on all playback systems. Recording technology has evolved significantly over the years. From analog tapes to digital recording, each advancement has impacted the sound and production of albums. Understanding this evolution helps in appreciating the phrase, record the album, in its historical context. And that's a wrap on Record the Album. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and the world of music recording. Remember, every album you listen to is the result of a complex and creative journey. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.